Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious dates pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 175 grams of pitted, chopped dates, and 175 milliliters of boiling water. Also, prepare 100 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 85 grams of unsalted butter, and 85 grams of light muscovado sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg and 1 tablespoon of rich black treacle. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by soaking your chopped dates in the boiling water along with the baking soda for about 10 minutes. This softens them beautifully. While the dates are soaking, cream together the 85 grams of butter and 85 grams of muscovado sugar until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and the tablespoon of black treacle until everything is thoroughly combined. Finally, gently fold in the 100 grams of self-rising flour. With your batter and dates ready, it's time to bring them together. Carefully stir the softened date mixture into your creamed butter and sugar batter, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Then, pour this delightful mixture into a greased 1-liter pudding basin. To prepare for steaming, cover the basin with buttered foil, making sure to create a pleat in the middle to allow for expansion. Steam the pudding for approximately 1.5 hours until it's perfectly cooked through and wonderfully moist. No dates pudding is complete without a luscious toffee sauce. To make it, melt 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of muscovado sugar in a saucepan. Once melted, stir in 150 milliliters of double cream and let it simmer gently for about 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. Serve your warm, steamed pudding generously drizzled with this rich, golden toffee sauce. For an extra touch of indulgence, garnish with a sprinkle of sea salt or a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.